Hey everyone, Mike here at the BFH Garage, and I got to tell you, I'm pretty overwhelmed by the amount of support I've gotten for this channel. As most of you are aware, I've reached my 1,000 subscriber goal. And to celebrate that, it's time to give away this display box that has the authentic CJ gauges in it. And it's pretty cool because as it's been sitting here waiting for the goal to be reached, the metal portion of this I left completely bare, and it's starting to get a little bit of a surface rust patina on it, and it looks awesome. It really goes well with this. So here we are, it's time to give this thing away. In the past, you guys, for those that weren't on the channel before, in the past I was trying to track people down, and it's really tough because when you subscribe, I get a notification email, but I don't get your email, so I can't just directly reach back out to you. So I had people help me trying to track people down. I was able to give the grill away. In this case here, I'm going to approach it a little bit differently in order to save time, and I think it'll work out a little bit better. So with that being said, I'm going to place a list of names right here. And as you take a look at that list of names, if your name or username, your YouTube username is on there, what I need you to do is email me at thebfhgarage@gmail.com. Again, email me at thebfhgarage@gmail.com. You're going to have 7 days from the date this video was published to respond. And for all of those that respond off of that list, I'm going to put you into a random drawing, but I need you to email me from your email address so I have a way to get back to you. So once I collect those names, it could be all of them, it could be a few of them, depends on who reaches back out. Then I'm going to notify you. Again, I'll do another random drawing, and I will notify the winner via email. So if your name is on that list, please send me an email and let's get this thing done. Again, I want to thank you for all of the support for the channel. It has been great. I'm getting a lot of requests. I'm having people email in questions, and I love helping out that community. So again, thank you for the support. If your name's on that list, send me that email. Let's give this thing away.